Setting up SuiteDash for your online coaching business can seem overwhelming at first, but in this quick explainer, I'll show you how to get things up and running smoothly in no time. First, let's talk about how SuiteDash can help automate your processes. When you're running an online coaching business, you need a platform that brings everything together: client management, appointments, invoicing, and more. SuiteDash offers that, and then some, but does it live up to the hype? Let's dive into how you can use it effectively. The first thing you want to do after signing up is to customize your dashboard. SuiteDash gives you a lot of flexibility here. Set up your workspace so that it fits your needs. You can add widgets to track your most important metrics, like upcoming client sessions or financial stats. This makes it easy to stay organized at a glance. Next thing you'll want to do is integrate your email and calendar. SuiteDash connects with your email provider and calendars, making it easy to send out reminders, track appointments, and even set up automated follow-ups. This takes a huge load off your plate, especially when you're dealing with multiple clients at once. The third thing is setting up your client portal. This is where your clients will be able to access their information, schedule appointments, pay invoices, and more. SuiteDash allows you to create a personalized experience for each client so they feel like they're getting tailored attention. It's a huge plus for client retention and overall satisfaction. Now, let's talk about invoicing and payments. With SuiteDash, you can create professional-looking invoices, automate payment reminders, and integrate your payment gateways: Stripe, PayPal, you name it. This helps keep your cash flow smooth without you needing to chase clients for payments. Next up, setting up your online courses or coaching programs. SuiteDash has built-in tools for managing your courses, including lesson tracking, course completion certificates, and even the ability to offer bundled packages. If you're offering coaching packages, this is a great way to keep everything organized. The fifth thing is automating workflows. This is where SuiteDash gets more advanced. You can create triggers and workflows for client onboarding, reminders, or follow-up actions based on certain events. While it sounds great, it can be a bit tricky to set up, especially for beginners. Some users have found it overwhelming, so it's important to start simple and scale up as you go. The sixth thing is the reporting features. SuiteDash offers reports that help you track business metrics, whether it's client retention rates or financial insights. But, and here's the catch, some of the reporting can be a bit too basic. If you're looking for in-depth analytics, SuiteDash might not be the powerhouse you need. So, you've set up your SuiteDash account and you're starting to get the hang of it, but how does it compare to other tools? Here's the thing, SuiteDash offers a lot of value, but it can get complex. If you're a coach who needs a straightforward, easy-to-use tool, you might feel overwhelmed. Plus, it's not the best for some advanced reporting or integrations that could make scaling easier. That brings me to some great alternatives for you to consider. We've partnered with some other amazing platforms that offer an extended free trial, better customization options, and more powerful analytics for your coaching business. These tools have a clearer interface and are easier to set up, so you can spend more time focusing on your clients rather than managing your platform. And here's the best part. Through the link in the description, you'll get exclusive access to these platforms' best free trials that aren't available anywhere else. So not only are you saving money, but you're getting a much better fit for your coaching business needs. If you've been thinking about SuiteDash, you'll want to check out these alternatives. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the free trial links in the description for exclusive benefits just for our viewers.